Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Tech Unboxing with VK Vlogs. It's our third episode in the Tech Unboxing series, but first during the quarantine. As you can see the difference, my hair have grown up, my beard has grown up, and I'm in Mumbai. Earlier my videos used to be very close to my home in Delhi, and it is a very funny and DIY kind of a setup. If you guys want to see, I can actually shoot it right now and show it to you that how this setup actually looks. It absolutely looks like this. There's a camera above my briefcase, and that's recording me. So today I'm gonna make a very short video, and this video is about my favorite phone accessory. It's about a skin which I have been using on one of my phones since the past around 2 years, and I have had literally no complaints. And this is not a sponsored video, it's just because I love this and I've used this product, so I just wanted to recommend you guys. And it's from a brand called the Dbrand. D as in D for Delhi and brand. Dbrand.com is the website, and this is how one of their packages looks like, and I just received it. Actually I ordered this like before the country went on lockdown, so it was around 2 months back, and unfortunately we went on a lockdown. It was in India for almost like 2 months in a warehouse, and I received it like 4 days back, so I left it in quarantine. So this is the packaging from Dbrand. It's a very simple packaging, looks like a letter, and it says that it's not a product, it's a culture, and I actually agree to it. Actually I used this product on my OnePlus approximately 2 years back, as I told you, and this was the matte black skin for my back, and with some white accessories for the logo, and it has like prevented me from all the scratches and bumps and dents, and it's not a cover, so it's not heavy. It doesn't increase the weight of the phone. So what actually usually happens is that you open this package and you would get, of course, your skin. Along with it there would be details how to install it, and that's all available on the Dbrand website. And also leave the link below so that you can see the videos, and you don't have to see me entirely doing all this installation and everything on my phone. We'll just unbox this package, and rest I'll leave some nice video shots and pictures at the end of the video after installing these products on my phones. I actually ordered it from my iPhone 11, my OnePlus 5T, and also my AirPods, which are not present here right now, but yeah, it's somewhere near, close by. So yeah, so let's just open this up and see how and what is there inside. And also I'm very excited to see a Canadian flag at the corner of this tear off. So I really like it. Let's just open it up. Bam! The first thing that comes out is the microfiber cloth to clean your phones. Whoa, 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 whoa. Perfect. So, as I told you, there are 3 things, and what actually excited me this time was that they have come up with amazing set of back skins, especially for iPhone, Samsung, OnePlus. But since my OnePlus was old, so I got to order normal and regular skin. But for my iPhone 11, this is the skin I ordered, which is the tear down. They call it the tear down, and it seems like that you can see your entire phone from inside in that skin. Pretty cool concept, and I am dying to see my phone after installing this. So let's see how it goes. I'll just take it out for you guys because I was waiting to see this since the last 2 months. So it's for the entire back of the phone. Here's the camera cutout, and that's the back of the phone. And it's made out of 3M pastings, and I've never ever had any issues while I take off the skin from my phone, and never leaves any residues, any marks. In fact, in this video only I'll take off my OnePlus skin, so that after that I'll install this skin on my phone. So for OnePlus I ordered camouflage, some camo prints. The best part about this is that they send you 2 of these. so that if you get wrong on the first one, you can definitely try the second one, or else save it for later. Third one, that's the thing for my AirPods. Beautifully cut. I think it would be really easy to install, and these will give an amazing protection to all my devices. So thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video on tech unboxings by VK Vlogs, and I wish to make more of these in the near future, unless and until I have money to buy something new. I'm sure I would have in some time. Okay, take care guys, and I know the world is under a deep medical threat right now, but I think everything is gonna be fine soon. Take care, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to VK Vlogs and share this video with your friends.